Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nyak. My brothers and sisters of South Sudan, today I want to speak on something important. The government of Japan has just donated 500 million Japanese yen, that is about 3.2 million US dollar, to the World Food Program to help with the humanitarian crisis in South Sudan. This donation will support food aid for over 14,000 vulnerable people and will also help provide a school meal to more than 42,000 children across the South Sudan. At the signing ceremony in Juba, Ms. Mary Ellen MC Gorerti, the World Food Program Country Director, thanks the Japanese people. She said this support brings Japan total contribution to World Food Programs work in South Sudan to around 40 million US dollars since 2020. That is a huge commitment from a country far away. She said, and I quote, "This food will reach the most vulnerable people and communities. It will allow us to provide a school meal for over 42,000 children. Education is a game changer for any country." But she also she also told the truth about the challenge they are still facing and the challenge that the country is facing, like flood, climate change, conflict, poor road and infrastructure, and the lack of local support, especially in places like Upper Nile, where our people suffer the most. She says something powerful. We need to reduce the humanitarian needs, but that requires the South Sudanese government to invest in agriculture and basic services. Now my question is this. If Japan and foreign country can give millions to help our children eat and learn, what is our own government doing? Where are our leaders? Where is the local investment? Why are we always depending on outside help? Even Japan representative Mr. Oyama say Japan is committed to peace and helping us build resilience. But we cannot expect foreigners to care more about South Sudan than we do ourselves. It is time for our leader to wake up. It is time to ask, what are we doing for our own people? If Japan can give 40 million US dollars to help our poor, what are we giving? Our people do not need immediate promises. They need food, education, and health and hope. Let us thank Japan, but let us also demand accountability from our own government. Well, I don't know whether these humanitarian aids will reach Greater Penal, especially the people of Nasser, the people of Ulang, the people of Olfangak, the people of Panyijar, because these are the places that are facing humanitarian issues. These places humanitarian does not reach where they are because the government of South Sudan, President Salva Kiir Mayardit is busy sending soldiers to Upper Nile, to Jonglei, to Untold State, and this make it very hard for the humanitarian to reach out there. So this is one of the factors that is increasing, the devastation of what our people are going through, because they are being targeted based on who they support. And the people that are suffering right now in Jonglei or in Upper Nile or in Untold State, they are the opposition, those who support Dr. Riek Machar. These are the people that are going through a rough time. So I would say that if the humanitarian can reach out to them, I think this will make something or make sense to them, that they can be able, to live a better life in this critical time, because they are going through a lot. Flood is destroying them. Kiir Mayardit always sent Antonov gunship to bomb the people out there. This is really, really sad, and I wish that if the humanitarian could reach out to them. Thank you for watching. If you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that when I upload a new video it will reach out to you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.